Hey guys, it's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm coming back on because I'm going to have to draw another winner for my 500 subscriber giveaway. The person who was selected a few days ago or last week still has not contacted me and emailed me. Sorry about moving the camera. Has not contacted me to get their prize. So I am going to need to draw again. So I've already put the URL in and I've got everything loaded. We had 100 comments. And so I'm going to hit the start button and we're going to choose a new winner. And this winner will have, um, let's see, this is Thursday. Uh, if you don't respond to me, if you do not email me by next Thursday morning, I'll choose again. So this new winner, you have until Thursday morning next week to email me. And as soon as you email me your name, your address, I will mail out your prize. So let's see, let's try this again, and let's see who our winner is going to be. Josephine Swan. Woohoo! There it is. Josephine Swan. I'm so excited. Okay, Josephine. Um, you have 1 week. You have till next Thursday to email me. My email will be in the description box. So please send me your email before next Thursday morning. And as soon as I get your email and hear back from you, I will mail out your prize. So excited. She said in her comment, she said, surprises are always fun. The rainbow looks wonderful over the sunflower field. Have a great week and congratulations. So yeah, you will get the rainbow yarns and you will get the sunflower bag. So again, Josephine, thanks so much for subscribing, and send me your email before next Thursday and I'll get your prize right out to you. Talk to y'all later. Bye.